Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News. Is MBDA awarded £316 million as UK's Dragonfire laser downs high-speed drones in breakthrough trials. Britain's Dragonfire laser system has shot down high-speed drones during new trials at the Ministry of Defence Hebrides range, as a £316 million contract is awarded to MBDA to supply the Royal Navy from 2027. The latest tests involved drones flying up to 650 kilometers per hour and included a UK first in above-the-horizon tracking, targeting, and destruction. The MOD said the laser, accurate enough to hit a £1 coin from a kilometer away, costs about £10 per shot and offers a cheaper alternative to traditional missile systems that can cost hundreds of thousands of pounds. Dragonfire will be installed on a Type 45 destroyer by 2027. 5 years ahead of the original schedule. The program is expected to support 590 jobs across the UK, including 200 in Scotland, 185 in southwest England, and 75 in the east of England. Ministers said this reflects a wider commitment to use defence investment to support economic growth. Minister for Defence Readiness and Industry Luke Pollard MP said, "This high-power laser will see our Royal Navy at the leading edge of innovation in NATO, delivering a cutting-edge capability to help defend the UK and our allies in this new era of threat." He added, "We are delivering on our strategic defence review by backing British industry and creating hundreds more jobs, making defence an engine for growth across the UK." Scottish Secretary Douglas Alexander said, "This new £316 million contract award and news that Dragonfire has successfully taken down high-speed drones in the latest trials at the MOD's Hebrides range shows just how vital Scottish expertise is to the UK's national security, and why Scotland is globally recognized as a centre of defence excellence." He added, "Dragonfire is the latest in an impressive line of defence dividend wins for Scotland. The UK government is transforming our defence sector into an even more powerful engine for growth because when we back our service personnel and Scottish industry, we keep ourselves and our allies secure, whilst delivering skilled jobs and growth for communities and workers." As part of the Strategic Defence Review, Dragonfire is the first high-power laser capability to enter service from a European nation and marks one of NATO's most advanced directed energy weapons projects. The review committed nearly £1 billion of additional investment for UK directed energy weapon development during this Parliament. MBDA will work with Kinetic and Leonardo to deliver the capability almost 5 years faster than first planned, and continue to refine the system. Industry partners said the accelerated schedule represents a shift towards faster, more flexible defence procurement. Chris Allam, MBDA UK Managing Director, said, "This latest contract for Dragonfire is another significant milestone. It allows us to continue with the next phase of the program and reaffirms the UK's intent to be at the forefront of laser-directed energy weapons." He added, "The success of recent Dragonfire trials are a testament to our mod and industry team, delivering a truly game-changing weapon system into the hands of the Royal Navy." Steve Wadey, Group CEO of Kinetic, said, "The Dragonfire program is delivering the ambition of the Strategic Defence Review, with industry experts working in collaboration with government to get disruptive, next-generation technology into the hands of our warfighters at pace." He added, "Kinetic is proud to have played a unique role in developing and testing this critical military capability of the future. We welcome the government's latest commitment, which will enable us to accelerate the production of the world-leading technology that is fundamental to the Dragonfire system." Mark Stead, Leonardo UK SVP Radar and Advanced Targeting, said, "Leonardo has channeled its decades of experience developing world-leading lasers to produce Dragonfire's Beam Director, which harnesses and directs the powerful laser energy on target." He said, "Today's contract award to procure a minimum deployable capability of Dragonfire is testament to the hard work and dedication of all those involved in the program, and the rapid progress made by the defense and industry partnership since its inception." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.